Welcome to our DIY home maintenance series. Today, we're going to show you how to save money with some simple tricks. Many of you may be spending more than necessary on home repairs and maintenance. But with a little effort and know-how, you can keep your home in great condition and save a lot of money. Let's start with one of the most common issues homeowners face: leaky faucets. Did you know that a leaking faucet can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water a year? That's a lot of money going down the drain. Instead of calling a plumber, you can easily fix this issue yourself with a few basic tools. Next, we'll tackle clogged drains. Instead of spending money on expensive drain cleaners, you can use a simple mix of baking soda and vinegar to clear your pipes. This natural solution is not only cost-effective, but also eco-friendly. Moving on to the exterior of your home, regular gutter maintenance can prevent costly water damage. By cleaning your gutters twice a year, you can ensure that water is properly drained away from your home, preventing damage to your foundation and walls. Finally, let's talk about energy efficiency. By sealing drafts around windows and doors, you can significantly reduce your energy bills. This simple task can be done with inexpensive weather stripping and can make a big difference in your home's energy consumption. Remember, the key to saving money on home maintenance is prevention and regular upkeep. By tackling small issues before they become bigger problems, you can keep your home in top condition and save money in the long run. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more DIY home maintenance tips.